We will guide you through how to rename Confluence page. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice before continuing. Go to atlassian.com/software/confluence and wait for the homepage to load. Click Sign In to open the Atlassian sign-in page, where you will be prompted to enter your account credentials. On the Atlassian sign-in page, enter your email address in the email field, making sure it is correct before proceeding. Click Continue to proceed to the password page. Enter your password in the password field, ensuring that it is entered correctly before continuing. Click Login to access your Atlassian account, and wait for your account and Confluence workspace to finish loading. Click the app switcher icon next to your profile picture to display available Atlassian applications. Select Confluence to access your Confluence workspace. Open the space that you want to use, making sure you have selected the correct Confluence space before proceeding with the next step. Open the page that you want to rename. Click the three-dot menu on the Page section to open the available page options. Select Rename to begin changing the name, and open the field where you can enter the new page title according to your needs. Enter the new page name according to your needs, making sure the title clearly describes the content or purpose of the page before continuing. You have now successfully renamed the page using the first method. You can also rename the page using a second method by clicking the edit icon at the top to open the page editor. Change the page title according to your needs, making sure the new title clearly describes the page content and is easy for users to identify. Click Update to save the changes and publish the updated page title. You have now successfully renamed the page using the second method.